How to reset Messenger PIN code. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your Messenger account. Then, once in there, tap on the settings icon available, or you can simply tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will get to see settings and privacy option available there. Tap on it. Inside settings, scroll down and you will get to see privacy and safety option available there. Tap on it. Now there, look for the encrypted chats. Again, tap on it. Then tap on the message storage, and there you can see reset pin option available there. Tap on the reset pin, or you can simply create a new pin by removing the previous one. Now all you have to do is enter your new pin, and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.